Now it's chocolate time.
No more puppets in this house.
What?
Okay. Did she? Okay, yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you for calling. Bye. Adriana is in trouble.
Look, Dolly, what a nice puppet I have.
Adriana,
Yes, Mummy.
you are in trouble. I just had a phone call from your teacher, Mrs. Brown.
Mrs. Brown?
Yes, Adriana, Mrs. Brown. And before that was your head teacher. And before that was your teacher's assistant. And they all said you're not doing your homework.
What? I always do my homework at school, at home. They must be lying to you, Mummy.
What do you mean?
Lying.
I know why you're not doing your homework. All because of these toys. No more puppets for you. I'm taking it away.
No, Mummy, it's the best toy ever. You can't take it away from me.
Adriana, I know you've got more. Give it to me, please.
Oh no!
Oh, fine. There you go.
Thank you. I know you have more. Give it to me.
There you go.
Thank you. I know you have more. Give it to me, please. Thank you. Ha ha. You think that's it? No, give me more.
I know you have more.
Fine, but it's totally not fair. That's it. Are you happy now?
These are the last one. No more puppets in this house.
Oh, that's not fair. What's this?
What?
A puppet. My mum missed one. I have one puppet. I have an idea. We are gonna make a dessert for Mummy with these puppets. Then she'll love puppets. I still can't believe my mum does not like puppets. It's like the best thing ever. So I'm gonna make a dessert for her so she'll love puppets and love us with hearts. I need M&M's and chocolate. Let's taste one M&M or maybe two. No, just one. First, we have to put our M&M's. Now it's chocolate time. Wow, a chocolate heart. Now let's put it in the
Freezer.
Come on. Moment of truth. The M&M's look so massive. Mummy, come here. I have a surprise for you.
Did you call me?
Look, Mummy, I made a surprise for you, so you will love puppets.
A surprise for me? That's look nice. How did you make it?
With these puppets. I didn't give you all of them. Sorry.
Thank you, Adriana. This is the best surprise ever.
And so delicious.
Adriana,
Yes.
I think I'm gonna give your puppets back.
Yes.
We can make this room out of puppets.
What?
Are you in?
I'm totally in.
Let's do this then.
Wow. We did it.
Yes, we did. It looks